Hey family, welcome back. So today I'm doing a little garden harvest with my two little ones. As you can see, they're trying to help me go into the garden. I let them. It's a little bit of a struggle, but they're little, they're learning. So I'm letting the littlest one lead the way, okay? That one is Amari and the other one is Gabriel. So we have a lot of tomatoes to pick today. That's where we're going first. Tomatoes, tomatoes, tomatoes. Um, I usually let them come into the garden with me, but when they do come, I have to keep an eye on them because they're touching stuff, they're breaking stuff, throwing stuff. So I have to be very careful with them. But today, it's a harvest day, so I'm letting them have fun as we harvest our tomatoes. As you can see, most of the tomato plant, the leaves are drying off. You can tell it's end of season, but we're gonna keep going until the first frost. So look at those tomatoes, big and juicy, ready for tomato sauce. And I usually process them, save them in my freezer so that I can use throughout the winter months, and they do last me all the way till usually, let's say by, I want to say, last year, well, this year I had tomatoes all the way till March, and then I had to stop buying tomatoes. So I don't know how long these ones are gonna last me, because this year I actually gave out a lot of tomatoes to neighbors, my friends, my family, my kids, um, friends on their football team. So I don't know how long these ones will last me, but you know what? It's good because you gotta share. That's what it's all about. So I'm teaching them a little bit at a time, not just growing stuff, but also be willing to give out. If you have some extra, you give it out. You don't have to save everything for yourselves. So they're fighting to help me with the harvesting, and that's what we're doing. We're just harvesting tomatoes, a whole basket worth of tomatoes. Yeah, a whole basket. And this is usually how it is for us throughout the season. Once the tomatoes start bearing fruit and ripen, um, we get about a basket a week. So this is pretty normal for us. And like I said, we usually have so much tomatoes, so much tomatoes. So it's nice that we can give out some to our friends and family. So they're helping me. Usually when you do one, the other one wants to do it too. See that little one? He's a feisty one. Look at that. He's so helpful. So look at that. See what I'm telling you? See? He's trying to pick the green tomatoes. But, I have to tell him that no, that one needs some time. The cool thing about tomatoes is that once they start getting ripe, you can actually just pick them and leave them on your counter and they will actually ripe. These are habanero pepper and ghost peppers. They're very, very hot. So these ones are ripe now. So we're picking them. The peppers that I harvested last year, believe it or not, I still have them till right now. So the ones we harvested last year that I put in the freezer, we still have them till today. Okay, now we're getting some cucumbers, fresh cucumbers for salad. You can basically eat it just by itself like that, and that's what I usually do, just peel it and eat it like that. Look at that, a whole basket of tomatoes and some cucumbers and pepper. Look at that, look at that. Oh my god. They're so cute, they are so cute. So that's it. that's usually how our harvest goes. And then we just sit down and, just talk, watch, and, play a little bit before we go inside. Thank you.